hard work is not the key to success. Check it out, because in today's video we talk about what is the key to success.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your practical public speaking mentor and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference. And we are talking about the fact that we are fed into the belief that hard work is the ultimate key to success. That if you want to be successful, you have to just do hard work. Hard work until when? Hard work all the time. First, they tell you that if you just study until 10th with hard work, you'll have a great life. After that, you do your 11th, 12th or PU. After that, you'll have a great life. Then you get into college and they say if you just do the college well, you'll have a great life. If you just work hard in the college. Then they say if you just get your master's degree and work hard, you'll have a great life. Then they tell you if you just crack the interview, then your life is set. Then they tell you that after you have to get a job and then this life is set. Then they say it's about getting the promotion. Then they say it's about just get married, your life is settled. You get married. Then just when am I gonna see some, before we die, we wanna see the faces of our grandkids, right? And then you have one grandkid. When is the second one coming? When is the third one coming? And then you get into this loop of this hard work, and then one day you wake up and you find out that you look in the mirror and you don't like the person that you have become. You are not exactly fit. You are not exactly having the kind of relationship that you thought you would be having by now. And because of that, what it does is it creates a lot of pain in your life. And you can't undo that. There is no Control Z option in your life. And you feel frustrated, it frustrates you, but there is nothing you can do about that. So, funnily enough, let me tell you this, how the hard work is key to success idea actually was fed into us. In about 1960s in USA, there was this big factory where they started a scheme where basically if you do extra hours of work, they would give you some commission, extra money. So every single day, those laborers used to, from the factory, iron factories, to come home, and they would tell their children, I have to work harder, I have to work more hours. And the children would say, why daddy, or why papa? Or the wife would say, why do you have to work extra? And the husband or the father would say, because hard work is the key to success, because the harder I work, the more money I'm gonna get. And then that's good for the factory laborers. That's not good for all professionals. Now, I'm not saying hard work is not important. I'm saying that is not the key to success. Because think about it. Who do you think works harder? A laborer who works in a building, or you? The answer is the laborer in the work in the building. But the laborer is not spending his time doing amazing stuff. The laborer does not probably have that time freedom or the financial freedom, but you have a better chance to achieve that. So that proves the point that it's not just about hard work, and it's not also about smart work, it's about framework. It's not about hard work, it's not about smart work, it's about framework. You have to learn the frameworks of how success works, framework of how, look at those dogs, by the way, frameworks of how to be more productive as a leader, as an individual. You have to learn the framework of how to achieve financial freedom. But if you don't have that framework, all you're gonna do every single day is just work much more harder and exhaust yourself. So be open to the idea that you have to learn the frameworks. When I work with people and train them and coach them at the Confident Speaker Conference, or when I'm mentoring people in a much more intimate basis in the Balanced Life Mastermind, or even my one-on-one coaching client, I don't tell them you gotta just work hard. I say you gotta learn the framework. So we give them the frameworks for financial freedom. We give them the framework of relationship freedom, the location freedom, the work and everything else, and that changes the game. So if you wanna have 10 times more income, you want to make 10 times more impact, you want to have better influence in your life, understand that it's not about hard work, it's about framework. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection. By the way, check out the sea here. All right, take care. See you soon.